Hello everyone. So this is for the second assignment for the week of November 16 through 20. What you guys are going to be doing is converting the slope-intercept form. So a couple things that you need to remember is what is slope-intercept form. So first off, these are given in point-slope form. So that's the y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Point slope form, that's the y equals mx plus b. So you have to know the language, you have to know the verbiage, okay, the vocabulary. It's asking you to convert it to slope-intercept form. So this is all there is to it. Don't blink, it's going to happen pretty fast. Okay, well, maybe not that fast. Start by distributing the slope inside. So I'm referring to this. This is the slope. Distribute it inside the parenthesis. So you got y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 8. And then to finish, add the 3 to both sides. And you're finished. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. You're finished. These two equations say the same thing. They just look different. Okay? This is in point-slope form. This is in slope-intercept form. Okay? So this one, start by distributing the slope inside. Y plus 5 is equal to negative 3x plus 15. Subtract the 5, subtract the 5. And you're finished. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. This is in point-slope form, slope-intercept form, sorry about that. This is in point-slope form. Right. Whew, I thought I had it backwards again. Okay. Using point-slope form to get your answer in slope-intercept form. Okay, so let me again start out with, no matter what form you're going to do, you got to find the slope. So I'm going to write 3, 0. Okay. So I'm drawing the fraction bar, putting the subtraction signs in. So 0, negative 5 goes on top, because those are the y values. The x values go on the bottom. These two negatives turn into a positive. So we have 5 over, what would that be? Negative 3. So negative 5/3 is the slope. Okay. Now, what I'm going to write in red is the way you used to do it. So that was, you needed to fill this sucker out. So you'd go y is equal to, I'm going to fill the slope in, negative 5/3 x plus b. And then you go, okay, I like these because they're smaller and positive, so I'm going to fill them in. So 0 is the y, negative 5/3 times 3 plus b. And then the 3's cancel. 0 is equal to negative 5 plus b. Add the 5 over, so you get 5 is equal to b. So then you have to come back and go, okay, my final answer is negative 5/3 x plus 5. That's your final answer. Instead, what I'm going to finish writing in blue is using point-slope form to do it. I think this is harder. What's in red is harder to do. Okay? It may seem awkward to you at first, but it is a lot easier to use. Okay. We found the slope. So we know this is negative 5/3. Now all I have to do is fill in the x and the y. We already chose this x and y. So a 0 and a 3 gets filled in. Well, y minus 0 is just y. Now all you have to do is distribute this in. Negative 5/3 x. The two negatives make a positive, so I'm going negative 5/3 times a negative 3. The two negatives make a positive. The 3's cancel, and you're left with 5. Notice you're getting the same answer. But I think this is 2 steps right here. 1, 2. Look at all these steps you had to go through to get that thing. Okay? Doing it with points. Okay, if they wanted the answer in point-slope form, let me back up. If they wanted the answer in point-slope, you would stop right here. This is as far as you go. If they, excuse me, want it in slope-intercept, just take it the 1 step farther. This is point-slope. This is slope-intercept. Y is equal to negative 5/3 x plus 5. Okay? So it's using point-slope form to get slope-intercept form. Okay? Write the equation using these points. So 3, negative 4. First thing you got to do is find the slope, no matter what form you're going to use. So negative 4, negative 1, 3, 2. That goes plus. And you get, what, negative 3 over 1, so the slope is negative 3. Start filling this thing out. So y minus, leave a gap. The slope we know, so negative 3. Leave a gap. And then pick a point. Where I guess these because they're smaller. That's your y, that's your x. Fill the y in, fill the x in. So your answer in point slope form is y plus 1 is equal to negative 3x minus 2. Now all the answers in your homework, if they ask for point slope, you would be finished. But they're asking for your answer in slope intercept form. So you keep going. Distribute the negative 3 in. Subtract the 1. So your answer in slope intercept form is negative 3x plus 5. And you're finished. Okay? So you're using point slope form to get there. First thing you do is you got to find the slope. 2, negative 7. So 5, negative 7 goes on top. Negative 2 and 2 go on the bottom. This goes plus. So you got 12 over negative 4, which is negative 3. So you're going to fill this thing out with the information that you have. Y minus, I'm leaving a gap. My slope, I found negative 3. I'm leaving a gap. And I'm going to fill in there either point. I guess I don't really have a preference on this one. I guess these are smaller. Okay. So the y is 5 and the x is negative 2. That goes plus. So you get y minus 5 when you distribute that negative 3 in. So that would be minus 3x minus 6. Now add the 5 to both sides. And you get y is equal to negative 3x minus 1. And that's your final answer if they want slope intercept form. Okay? If they don't say it like this, write the equation line that passes through the point. It doesn't say what form. Assume it's slope intercept that they want. Okay? So this is the first assignment for the Monday or Tuesday. All the answers will be in point slope form. The second one that I just did here, all the answers will be in slope intercept form. So point slope again is this one. Slope intercept is this one. Okay? Thanks for your time.